As we continue to do school from home, I wanted to share some fun and easy school-related crafts that can also be customized and used at your child's desk. For today's project, I will be using my cutting machine, zipper pouches, transfer tape, and vinyl adhesive. Start by cutting out your image or phrase. I found this image online and used it in Design Space. If your design is too complicated to cut out by hand, you can simply use your child's name or a silhouette of their favorite cartoon character if you don't have a cutting machine. Remove the excess material and use your transfer tape to apply the image to the front of the zipper pouch. Fill with your child's pencils or markers and display on their desk. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.